What's up, you guys? It's your boy George, day number 2. We are extending the fronts today. Check that out. We already starting over here. We just seeing what we gotta do. We gotta take the wrap off, extend the whole front end, whole front bumper. My boy's not here yet, so we can't really start. All this. We're getting that done. And by today, we should be get 50% done on the car. Hopefully the car will be done, but I'll let you guys know.
Hello, do you want? Do you want? Yeah, please. Mi madre, claro. Yeah.
The moment we've been waiting for is here. I have something to tell you.
Hey, set off, set off. Hey, set off, set off. Hey, set off, set off. Hey, set off.
A few moments later.
Fuck, went off.
Y'all trying to go eat?
No, nigga, we gotta get this shit done.
Alright.
Set off, whatever will be. Will be. Will be. The future's not our future's not our future's not our future's not.
I believe in the future. I believe in the future. I don't believe in miracles.
Can it be true? It must be true, no doubt, no doubt. Life is going on as normally as ever. But suddenly something seems to have happened. Suddenly something seems to have happened. Everybody seems to be scared.
We back, boy. See this shit? You see this shit? Oh, we just finished the front fenders. Check this shit out.
No cursing. Thank you very much.
Front fenders are done. We are gonna test fit. I know for a fact it hits like right here. We are gonna extend it by a tad bit, but none of us have ate, so we're about to go eat real quick. I don't know. We'll be back like in 15 minutes. I'll see you guys soon. What'd you say? What'd you say, ugly ass?
I said no curse, man.
Yeah, I can't.
Definitely be watching. I made that man bent.
We just test fitted one fender. We got the bumper on, so you guys are gonna see it. We're gonna extend the bumper and the fender a little bit more to get fender to lip fitment.
Time?
Yeah, that right front.
Okay, bro. Check your spacer.
Look at that, boy. Look at that.
That's fake. Bro, George, don't open your mouth, alright?
But George, stop. It's in the trash. You're showing what it is.
Put the trash, bro.
I know, you do need to stop playing, get that shit fixed.
You need to be next to this car, bro. Right, George, right, George. Right.
Alright, bro. Alright, bro, I'll catch you. Alright, about to go to Tony's house real quick. We just finished up. This guy.